The Joseph Business School presents its next Master Business System class. There are individual classes to either refresh or gain new understanding of a specific area of business. The next class is Marketing Ii on August 17th. In this class, you will learn how to use best promotion methods to better communicate your company offerings and reach your audience so that you spend your advertising money wisely. The class will be led by Jbs instructor Mary Green. Mary is an accomplished business professional who has an extensive track record of effectively using promotions to achieve superior sales results for her financial services organization. Mary has a master's degree in business and looks forward to seeing you in class. Saturday, August 17th, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. in room 151A. Cost is $199. Please register by visiting www.jbs.edu and clicking on the Events tab.